All right, so I changed locations. I'm over here at Heaton Street, my favorite railroad crossing, and we got the 142 intermodal coming northbound on track 1. That'll be the track next to me right here. It's been starting and stopping as far as snow goes, so hopefully we'll get some more snow. Look at that shot. This train took less than 20 minutes to go from Glendale to Hamilton. So it's moving along pretty good. Glendale is milepost 15, and right where I'm at is somewhere around 26. Somewhere in that area. Not much traffic out today. Probably won't see any runners. It's 23 degrees out. Last night it got down to 4. This is a good one. Here comes the end. Yeah, that was a good one there. Whew. Gonna get back in the truck, turn the heater back on, get warmed up a little bit, and see what else we can get into. Maybe check out another location over here. Look at the view those houses have. Man, I wish I could spend the night in one of those rooms upstairs. That'd be a great place to film from too. Getting southbound trains especially. Well, here we go. Got more live action going on. Looks like Hamilton got a EMS run. There you go. Some live action with the Hamilton Fire Department. Happy birthday, Austin from Southern Indiana. Thanks for watching my videos, Austin. Crystal told me you got a birthday coming up, so happy birthday, and once again, thanks for watching my videos. All right, there it is. There's your update on the Hamilton Depot. Got the roof fixed. Not a whole lot else has changed since last time I was here. Nonetheless, there's your update. Looks good in the snow. Check it out. Happy birthday, J-Dog, on January the 12th. I hope you had a good birthday. Sorry I'm a little bit late, but happy birthday, J-Dog. Thanks for watching my videos too. All right, here we go. Here comes the CSX train with 276 axles. I believe they said I-141 for this train. It's on the Norfolk Southern Newcastle sub, headed towards Cincinnati to Queens Gate Yard. Couldn't see that guy. Sorry for it being a little bit shaky. I was walking at the same time through this ice. It's not easy. got this one in 4K on accident. There she goes. That was a long one. Look at all this snow and ice. And over here's an old freight station. Downtown Hamilton rarely ever gets filmed because it's got that wall around it. You can't always see it. It's a really cool building though. All right, check this out. I didn't leave right away, and there's another train coming. It's another southbound train. It's on track 2, the track closest to me. 270 axles. So it's coming from that direction. We'll get at this crossing because there's a little bit of light here. Medium clear Butler. They're running southbound Norfolk Southerns, but not any northbounders. I did hear that a couple hours ago they got the line opened up for southbound trains. The train derailed down near Sadieville. I heard somewhere around a dozen to a dozen and a half cars, something like that, but I don't really have any good information on it. Got the end of the train coming, just a few cars, a few car lengths here. All right, there you go. Everything's getting quiet around here. Man, it sure is quiet. I'm the only one making any noise now with the train gone. All right, this time I am leaving for sure. I am on the way home. This time I'm leaving for sure. All right, thanks for watching. Check out another video to help my channel, and we'll see you later. Comes the big hill. Now there's a car wrecked down near the bottom, so we're going down. We're just now starting over the top here. If everybody just stay in their lane, we'll be okay. But there is a car wrecked down here near the bottom somewhere, hanging over a ledge. They said somehow it came in as an airplane crash. How that, I don't know. How that came in, I have no idea. They said the eastbound side, the side I'm on. They can't find it though, apparently. They are trying to get up the hill. There's a car stuck. What a place to be stuck. Well, the wreck should be down at the bottom. I can see some flashing lights way up there. It's supposedly where it's at. Where Main Street meets 32, the eastbound end. I thought that guy on the right was wanting in front of me. He's had his turn signal on forever. I guess he doesn't. Why are you driving your signal on, dude? What's that all about? So over here somewhere is supposed to be a wreck. They're looking for it. They can't find it. All these fire trucks running around. Like I said, it came in as an airplane crash. Now, why would an airplane be flying around in snowy weather like this? Then they said it was a car hanging over the ledge somewhere. All kinds of live action here. Ah, get a bump.
What's your location? We just got off the main street. We're looking around. I'm in the location.
They can't find it.
We've been unable to locate. We had a couple of our cars working our way up the hill slowly, but none over the embankment. Engine 50 can't locate. They can return. Stop there. Engine 50, did you copy?
They're gonna start heading back, having some of the trucks go back. I guess they tried to call the people who called us in. I don't know. Call them up, find out where it's at. Anyways, now we're going back up the hill on the other side, and I should be home in a half hour or so. Maybe a little bit longer than that due to the conditions. I love driving in the snow. This was cool. Well, let's see. I've driven 61 miles so far, and I'm gonna go home and make a video, get up early tomorrow, and get right back at it again. I want to get out in the snow, get some more trains in the snow if I can. Love seeing those trains in the snow. A little bit of snow here. Yeah, we didn't get a whole lot last year. A couple years ago we had a couple big storms, but last year there wasn't a whole lot. And this year we're starting off with a bang. All right, well, I'm just about home to the Jawtooth compound. Been a long drive. Oh, just now, that land on the left, that mailbox right there, there's no house on that property, but that's my property. And then the main part of my farm starts right over here on the right. Most of my farm is on the right-hand side of the road, right where this telephone pole is. Right there, and I've got 1,143 foot of road frontage on the right-hand side of the road. Then you go down to the next road, make a right, and I've got, I don't know, 800 foot or so. Oh, I've got another 350 foot of road front past my farm on the right here, on the other side of my neighbor. And we are just now coming into the Jawtooth compound right now. Let's have a look here. Right over here, feast your eyes. Coming through the snow. 3-7 on the scene at the Jawtooth compound. Gotta get out and get the gate. Booking. But wait, there's more. There always is.